everyone! So this is my first time here at Be Happy Craft Store. Upon starting, I made my own notebook with my own name, keychain. This is a shrink wrap. Tapos super accommodating din ng mga staff na mag-a-assist sa'yo to do this notebooks and keychain. So you can go here anytime. They're open here at the ZP Center, Caloocan. So what are you waiting for? Come here na!
Ito yung napili ko kasi marami akong gamit na kailangang ilagay eh. So bilang artist, bilang crafty, kailangan ko ilagay itong mga gamit ko like notebooks, like some keychains and art materials. So ngayon sobrang saya kasi bukod sa ang aliwalas ng lugar, ang daming mga crafts na nandito lahat, na halos lahat ng kailangan ko like from coloring materials, from pens to crafting materials nandito. Tsaka masaya kasi marami ring artist na nandito lahat.
Ito po, fuse beads. At first, parang nahihirapan ako kasi ang liit niya. Then, nung nabibuild ko na yung letter M, nag-enjoy na ako.
So, thank you all so much. Today marks the very first day that we are celebrating the new store here at Be Happy. Can I hear a Be Crafty, Be Happy from everybody?
Be crafty, be happy!
Thank you!
So we've created a couple of projects with Be Happy. I have a tote bag with my name and then this one too. All in all, we enjoyed everything, especially yung sa shrink. So we created our own design. If you notice, the rest are mostly branding talaga siya ng Be Happy. But for the shrink plastic, we decided to customize it with wire. So this is how it looks like. Thank you so much, Be Happy, for inviting us. We enjoyed all the activities. Thank you.
Thank you, Be Happy, for inviting me here. Gumawa ako ng fuse beads na design for Spider-Man since childhood. Siya na talaga yung favorite superhero ko. So, thank you for this experience.
Thank you so much sa lahat sa inyo who are joining us today. I started Be Happy 13 years ago. Since childhood, I'm already a crafter. So this is my passion. Luckily, may mga kasama na akong binibuild yung Be Happy. I'm so lucky to have our team. Simula sa mga store team namin, fulfillment, sa marketing, sa mga customer support. I'm super lucky dahil kasama ko na sila sa pag-build ng Be Happy. And our mission as a company is to be the creative destination here in the Philippines. By providing you guys essential craft tools and materials, and also by being the space for the creative community here in the Philippines.